Right, we're recording. I stopped at this amazing little place here for directions. Definitely coming back. A nice. I'll see you later. Eh?
Yeah, I'll see you. Yeah? So
Sure.
this camera, you are recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. Little like a spaza shop. Thanks God for that. My first entrepreneur interview with a guy. It says St. Louis is the local beer, brewed here, popular, most popular by far. So that's going to be the first beer test. Kindly phone Mama, because I found block 10 in Gaborone, but I couldn't find, well, the plot number was, I didn't have it properly memorized. So we're back on the airport road that I was on before. Oh, there we go. Excuse me. So my first entrepreneur interview. Told me this is his lounge where everyone chills, drinks a bit. He's got nice street food. Let me just check the sign. Okay, past this building on the left, first right, first left. So that is a part of the workflow, I guess I got to figure out, is going into a country is, it's where your weak point is, it's where the vulnerable spot is, because as you go in, you got no data, so you're a bit exposed, blah blah. So you got to figure out a way, of saying, okay, I got to get a nice foolproof way, probably using my the GPS, of course. But I was trying to type the address into the GPS earlier. It is so clunky. Now you must type in an exact what street number. Well, there's no street number. It's plot 10. I mean, not found. I mean, well, anyway. So maybe the Garmin, not sure, or Google Maps. Okay, that's easy. Circle, circle. But I think if I save or favorite when I do have airtime, I must save the place, the little spot or something, and then I'm kind of covered. Right, here we are. My home for the next week in Gaborone. Oh, my baby's handling so nicely. I'll have to ask her where I'm going to park. Alright, we've arrived.